And let's go. All right. Hello Twitch, hello YouTube. Here we go for another dev session. So yesterday we wasted a lot of time trying to make a background for the menus. And today we are going to keep wasting some time on that because, well, at least at the end, we still figured out how to actually make this background sprite here. So yesterday we got this done. And today, so we'll try to not take too much time to do this. And normally it shouldn't take too much time because I know how to do it now. And then we are gonna be able to start working on the actual upgrades UI, which is the interesting part. Alright, so let's start. It's gonna be more or less similar to yesterday, meaning we are going to draw lines and try to fill it in the middle, except we're gonna do this in a 1080p image instead of doing it in instead of doing it with 128. Right. So 1920, 1080. Let's go. All right, so let's try to get something going. Yeah, let's use the same technique as yesterday. Maybe I do want to have like a kind of let's do something like this. And let's try to go in the middle, so that's 1920 divided by 2, that's divided by 2 is 850. 960, okay. 960 should be around here, so wait, let me set up a shit, this is the thing that I forgot how to do, how to add a guide in here. It's definitely not Dockers. Filter, I don't think so. Probably edit. Nah. View, probably view. Just show guides. And then I would like to add a guide. How the fuck do I add a guide? Image properties, maybe? Annotations. Proofing, no. And no way it's in there, right? Okay, this is too much time spent searching for this bullshit. You're fucking kidding me. Okay. Okay. There. Okay, nice. Yeah, of course we lost a line then. That's okay. Okay, that's actually gonna be a lot easier to work with like this. So 1080 should be 540. Okay. Do I want to put some guys over here? I think at least for the margin. Like, so margin at 1060. We get another one from here and put it at 20. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna make it a lot easier. Except if it does this bullshit. Like, what the fuck is this? Yo, let me draw. Okay, probably some dumbass setting in here. Log guides, maybe. Yeah, okay, that's it. Because otherwise it lets you move them. This is not what I want now. Okay, so I don't want to start here. I want to start maybe. Actually, I guess I'm gonna add another guide that's gonna be. I could let you add a guide. So let's say 50. It would be 30 pixels, maybe 60. I think 60 will be good. 60 and so this is 1060, so we need to go to 1020. Okay. Well, now it should be quite easy to do it. I'm just gonna follow this stuff. Like this. I should maybe put one. Yeah, I mean. Shouldn't go that far, probably. Yeah, I have no idea like how big they need to be, but I guess we'll see in game. Like this. Maybe I should activate the snapping. Doesn't have to necessarily be the same. Wait, what am I doing? No, that's not good. Gosh. I saw it's like in Photoshop where you just like press delete to delete a point. But no, you press delete, it deletes everything. That's where Krita is gonna drive me crazy. I kind of want to also set up some guides for let's activate the snap to guides also, so make it even easier. So I want another place. So if this is 1020, how long should it be? Let's say 200. That's gonna be enough. Maybe not. Try 300 rather. Yeah, I think that's a better place. So let's make it 300 over here as well. So here we start from 960, so we need to go to 660. With this we have everything. Yeah? Now we do this, we go until here. We make sure this is straight. Like so. Go here. Like this. Go up to here. And now we yeah. And we go up to here. But oh my fucking god, I'm not on vector layer. This is so stupid. Can it not create a vector layer then? Like, does it think I want to lose everything that I just fucking did? I swear, fucking Krita. So many questionable choices in user interface. Alright, so we do it again. At some point it's gonna be worth it for me to buy a Photoshop license for all the fucking time I lose with Krita. What the fuck is it doing? Yeah, there. Yeah, so we don't want 40. 4 should be quite nice. Seems pretty clean. We're gonna fill in the rest anyway, so it work. So now, same technique as yesterday. Shit, what did I do? Who knows? Alright, let me cancel it just in case. Okay. Guess it didn't do anything. Okay, so now we duplicate this. And we flip it this way. And then move it to the top. We're gonna get there. Just like this way, I'm sure not to move in a weird way. And normally we should be able to align perfectly, like so. Yeah, here it should be perfect. Okay, so we validate this, duplicate it, mirror it. Move it. So which will speed this up. Never mind. Oh yeah, with shift it does. You can't press shift while you're doing it. There should be perfect. And I'm actually impressed at how much better this workflow is. The guides are really helping so much. Yeah, I should have not given up on the guides, because in the end I activated the rulers and I was like, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna do it with this. But the rulers are much more useful than just the rulers. So transform, flip, and drop down. Right there. Wait a minute. So maybe I misaligned some of them. No, I think it seems okay. Kind of weird. If I put it, this would be the perfect place, but it's not. Alright, so now I can yeah, shift. I mean, this thing like works when it wants, so I swear. Alright. I don't gonna save this before I go any further. Why is it always changing the folder? Well, this is useless now, so I'm just gonna overwrite this one. And right, so I believe I cannot just invert it like so and add the paint layer on top. Not sure what a fill layer is. We have a paint layer in here and we fill the whole thing like so. Yeah, so it doesn't like fill completely here. What is it doing? Let's try to find a brush that will fill fully. Is this all no copyright stuff? Okay. Sounds like Rise again so much. Okay. Well, actually not okay, because this is taking forever. Wait, can you just... You know what? I'm gonna do it like this, and take a lower size brush. It's gonna be easier. Like, what is it that makes it this bullshit? Is this, isn't it? If I do this, let's see, in another place, like here, it's perfect. Well, no, it's not perfect because, yeah. Yeah, it's annoying. Can I do the magic thing here? Is it not, okay. I mean, I don't know why it doesn't do that by default, but I mean, when I select it here, because this is supposed to do the same thing in the end. I mean, I guess we can just do this and fill it like this. Man, the fucking opacity is still oh, I hate it. And if I do this, then it has to work the way I want, right? What? How? That? Oh, still. Oh my god. This is so fucking complicated. It's uh it does sound like my problem. Hmm? Being selected. I mean, that's it, right? Like, if they are both disabled, there's some stuff in here as well. That be it. I wonder if that's it. Maybe it is. If I have both disabled like this, there's no way, right? Fucking opacity in there. It's driving me insane. But actually, if I do this, it's the same. uh, well, I just want something that draws and fills the pixel with a single color. Like, how's this fucking complicated? I'm not sure if it works here or not, maybe. Um, that's it. Yeah, but no, it's still not feeling it. Is literally nothing is on. Is it? Yeah. This shit. This is ridiculous. And I hate it so much. Fuck it, huh? Is it not filling in anything here? What is it fucking doing? What is it not filling? It's gonna drive me nuts. Why is it not filling? This one is on top of everything, so I felt why would it not fill? So I decided it's not gonna fill this part because reasons. This is insane. This is on top, like it's sure. Whatever. It's like 2 pixels. Fuck it. I need to figure this fucking opacity shit. Then treat the sliders, I guess. It is set to this. God damn it. Smudge. Oh, I can't. Like, we don't have anything else. Like, there's something in here. How is this? Huh? What is this bullshit supposed to do? Wait, not. Yes. Hmm? Isn't this the anterior thing? Like, man, this is mostly what I want. Still some stupid anterior thing outside for some reason. Well, I have no idea where this comes from, but if I take a large enough brush, I shouldn't see this stupid aliasing. Why is it not filling completely? Whatever. This shot disabled on YouTube. Hmm. Displaying the chat here and then it's disabled. Deactivate it and re-enable it then. Yes. It's working actually. Alright. Back to Fucking stupid Krita. So much rage over this software, I swear. I don't know if I should use Figma. Well, I don't think Figma is really done for this. Figma free? It is free. It would be kind of suited for this stuff too. Maybe I'll try Figma next time. And for now, now we gotta finish this with the bus Krita not fucking feeling shit. Was this not feeling good? This is outrageous, like. It's feeling over time, like. I fucking hate it, like. Now it works. Why would it not work with the previous selection? Who knows? So fucking random sometimes. May as well do the whole thing then. Okay. Looks like junk. It should work. Okay, so let's do tests. Of course, it changed folder again. I swear, this is the only program that's doing this bullshit now. Let's replace this one. And finally, let's get into Unity and try it out. Hopefully it's not too shitty. Where is it gone? I need to re-import it. Oh, it's good. Am I not seeing it? Or maybe I wasn't seeing? No. Okay. Me review the placing on this. And I don't think it's gonna make a difference. I move them. I can try to put this in the middle. So put 540 for both top and bottom. And here's 960. Okay, it does make a difference. Okay, that I think is more what we're going for. If I go in game, it's a bit violent and it's not the same. I mean, I really need to have a... Yeah. Where's this stuff coming from? Why? They... Is there a full white overlay on the whole thing? We have some weird settings in here. Work normally. Yes, the image, but why? Bloom? Oh, it might be Bloom actually. I guess the Bloom. Let's try to set the proper value, because I'm definitely going to want this to be lower value. Probably kind of dark actually. And yeah, we'll draw Will be something like that. But if it's still not really looking the best, I think maybe I should make it so that they all have the same size. So I should make it a square. Probably. Let me just quickly try a different slicing. Like, if I move this stuff here. Roughly. Does that behave better? The exact same. I think these look good, these less. Let's try to fix the bottom padding, like 128 down here. Yeah. Okay. Kind of looking decent. I will go back to this another time. I don't want to waste any more time with this. It will do the job for now. And we're gonna advance on the actual upgrades. So I haven't thought about the layout too much. Because there's some place where I'm gonna want to have the ship's layout, and I need two lists that will propose the modules and the upgrades. So, but the modules are related to the ship layout, while the upgrades are not. So maybe I could have the ship layout in the middle, modules on this side and upgrades on this side. It might be decent. That might work, yeah. The thing is, I might also want to have some stats for the ship. I feel like I need to lower these gaps, like they're too large. And probably I want them to be bigger on the sides. Here's about this right side, I would say. Anyways, I'll change it later. Try to think what possible layouts we could have. Maybe what I'll do is it's going to full screen like this, and we're gonna take this. Screen capture, and we're gonna try some stuff. I'm tempted to go in Paint for this, but let me then open it with Krita. But it is also a question of what do I want to display on the upgrades themselves. Because depending on the size, of course, I'm gonna have to lay this out in a different manner. We try to have a concept for pixel has been white. Maybe just pick like some kind of yeah, bright blue like this. And I think I have some nope. Oh, it's in the Unreal version. There is also an Unreal Engine version of this game, which was abandoned because the performance was just not gonna cut it. Basically, it was almost impossible to get to 60 FPS with 1,000 units, and they had like very basic behavior. Like there was no weapons, nothing like that. Well, there was one weapon, but there was a lot of stuff missing or still. So I really didn't see how I would ever be able to make it work. Somewhere in here, there's some weapons. Where the fuck did I put this? Oops. Nope. description. Maybe it's in that. Oh, it is. 4-ups. Increase. Yay! Finally. Alright, so we'll say this is a weapon. We'll say this is a machine gun. And we'll say this is an upgrade. Maybe that's something I should try in Figma actually, because okay, it would be much more easier to do there. And let me move this shit. So I guess we want about this. %, to 33. This is a new size now. Let's say, of course. Something like this. I'll do the same for the other one. Okay. So of course this will need like a name. Gonna be like gun. No, actually, yeah. Like this. This is definitely gonna be in a bigger, maybe even 18 as it's the main title. And we're probably gonna want a description as well. Or maybe a list of the stats. I think, nah. Trying to make something that has enough text So we'll put this in some kind of white. I probably don't want this to... Of course. Okay, let's try Figma. Who's this? I guess that's it. I think I've used it once before, but one project with 3 files. Not sure what they call files. Hopefully we need only one. Yeah, I want to design and prototype. Should I should probably learn the basics, otherwise I'm gonna struggle all the time. Okay. Should I draw something? Add some text. Let's go. Angle, move, frame. I do this, I get a new frame, right? Okay, nice. Cool. Click into your frame and start typing to create text layer. Okay. So, what the fuck? Click into your frame and start typing. I guess, yeah, you need to do this, right? Yeah. Yeah, and here, you know, like they have this common feature that you can resize text and it adapts to the fucking box. Okay, so, okay. Finish formatting in the design panel. Use the text and fill sections to change up your text font size, weight, color, and more. Alright. And change properties too. Take some time to adjust your frame size, corner radius, fill, whatever you like. Yeah. And especially making stuff like this, is going to be much easier for what I'm trying to do here. Templates are always here for you if you'd like to save time or are feeling stuck. Add pre-made UI whenever you like. Okay. We may be able to gain some time. Okay. I like that it looks very simple. I think that's why many people use this, is that, you know, you can prototype shit quickly. And it lets you focus on the UI design rather than struggling with stupid tools that work halfway. The rage is real. Okay, so for example, this is something that we can already adapt to what we need. Kind of cards here. So I suppose we can make our own ones, and that's probably what we want to do. And so I wonder, I wonder if a card will count as a file, in which case I'm gonna be limited very quickly, but okay. Okay, I guess we'll start with one of these. Yeah. So this one looks like. Alright, so first of all, can I change this image? Set as to me, what? Build an image here. Okay, so let me add so add an image in here. Okay. It's custom. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. Right, so now I have to find it back into here. Oh shit, it's not in here. Here. Content data, and I believe it's upgrades. Yep. So let's add this one. There we go. So if I press this, happened. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Okay, custom, go into here, the other one. Okay. There's some opacity weirdness, because this one is set to 20. Okay. Yeah, that's great. So thanks to this, we're going to be able to do it. Okay. So this is an upgrade. So it's gonna be just Caesar, and I don't want the color to be this. I want something that's around here. Is it normal that it's not changing? Ah. Yeah, I really don't like this. I want something that's quite light. Yeah, around here. Not too desaturated. Maybe not full light either. Something like that. Okay, so let's center it. It's what is this? Oh, because you can create connections to see how the interactions would work. Yeah, that's great as well. What is this? Line top now, line middle. Um, mm, can I use? I don't have the one I'm using for my UI. I added though. They have quite a lot, but I guess I'll have to pick something similar. Mm, wait. Wait. How do I install Fondo? Mm, uh, yes, okay, that's not it. Mm. Yes. Ah, wait, what the? Yes, we have the files already. Guess I didn't install it on my computer. So it's this one. Like open the location. Yep. This is good. Um, well, there's a desktop app. Maybe I want to use that instead, no? Yeah, honestly, it looks pretty good, so I think I'm just gonna download the desktop app and use it directly on my computer, so it's gonna be easier to work with, probably. Mm. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice. We can just reopen it and continue from there. That's great. So let's go in here. Let's go here. If I come okay. Here and I'll check this. No. How does it not have it? Install it. Do I need to actually copy the file there? And that's probably what it did, no? Let's see. Oh, it is there. Okay. Maybe it's not gonna be the best font for this. He says after spending 3 hours trying to install it. Um, let's try this one also. Shit. Come on. Did it work on you? Shit, das da jetzt Silikon. We have to restart the app. Mm. That's the name, right? Ethnocentric. Okay, now, okay, let me restart it then. So something I like is it starts about like 2000 times faster than Figma. Even though it's probably an Electron app, are not exactly known for being fast, since they are mostly JavaScript. Yay! Okay. I guess this is kind of. I guess this is nicer for titles. Or contracts for this one. Um, um, mm, yeah. Um, so like this to the background. Mm, let's see. Yep. I would like to add this to the library, but yeah. Let's say this is gonna be your main title text. Or this is accent color maybe more. And I want to add another one, which is gonna be which is gonna be a white, like not completely white, I guess. Wait, this is opacity, maybe. Yep. Okay. And I'm gonna want something that is I'll just this background color. We'll set it up to be like this. And then we'll lower the lightness of it. Because it's also supposed to be not fully opaque, but let's try it then. Alright, I will have the background like this. This should be using the normal text color. Oh my god. I don't know, okay, I see what I want. Um, mm, nope. I want to add some padding. I don't see nothing for this. Am I on the... I'm still on the texture, am I not? Hmm. It's weird that there is no... it. Ah, there. I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be here. Uh, Is it not? Is it not adapting though? Is this? Yeah, I don't really want this. Okay. Okay. What the hell? So these things actually don't adapt to the container. Strange. Because they need to be like this. Okay. Okay, so this is definitely not displaying how I want it. Yeah, it's too large. Not so happy with the phone, but yeah. Actually, let's see if we can find a phone that would work better. Hmm? Corretto. Hmm. Also, yeah, that doesn't look anywhere readable. I like the console style, but this one is nice. But maybe I'll go with this one. And I don't know, maybe I want to set it like this rather. And I think we're gonna want more like we're gonna want some kind of list. Let's see what we have in here. For example, this pricing card here, the list. Is a bit too much. I pretty see like a bullet point list. Well, not the bullet point, but love this song. Try to search for lists. Looks like only giving me access to these. I don't know if I can. Uh, mm-hmm. So we said we want around 30%, and I believe these are 512 by 512. So I would make this here and fill. Let's see if I do 512 times 0.33. Okay, so let's do 168 then. Looks very small, but I don't have the from here. Okay, and let's bring in. Right. Yeah, so we definitely want this to be much smaller. Can we make it, yeah, like so? Okay, so this looks kind of weird, like this text here is definitely too large. Mm. Uh, we should make this a fixed width, like. Okay. make it wait, how do I tell it to I think that's it. Okay, maybe it's in here. We definitely want a vertical layout, but the gap between items. Yeah, I don't want that much gap. Small gap, but not too much. Oh, but that's it. Okay. Okay. So if for the text I'm gonna need that much space, then maybe I want to increase this a little. Yeah. Minutes. I mean, it's a bit much. Mm. I really don't want it to be rounded, but yeah, I don't think I can. To move the stuff over here. This is way too large, I think. Yeah, my bad. But then I want to remove it down here. Kind of squashed. Yeah. This smaller. Okay, so it would be something like this. But probably down there when I want more stuff. Like something like some new styles here. I'll set it to something like this. So I need to pop on top of the cyan, so something like that. Yo. Alright, I think we're just gonna move the U. I don't want it to be too orange, I want it to be mostly red. This part is taking it too for some reason, which is not great. It doesn't matter. Yeah, no. Control E actually. Roughly something like this. We don't really know like how tall this could become. So I'm gonna just like duplicate some God's sake. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, I feel like this is fair. I'm gonna make it so this is yeah, it's better. I think. So it would look roughly something like this. Okay. And so I go in here and okay, nice this. If I do this, now we have a machine gun. Okay, maybe I should differentiate the color somehow. Mm, like that. And yeah, maybe it's gonna be more like um mm, uh, maybe it doesn't. Sounds strange. Oh, okay, it doesn't let me because you're supposed to put it in the style itself. Like that. Mm, might want to have some tags also. Probably. What else do we want to say? Something like that. But I'd like to have more colors for everything, but it'll be difficult to have one specific color for everything that we have. I wonder maybe if I at least do it like this. This is really nice. Yeah, that's kind of nice. So, kind of think I'd like to make another frame or section. Guess I'll just do a frame. Basically, this is our actual available space. And I think I need to put them in there. Okay. Guess it's kind of smart, isn't it? Yeah, so now it's gonna be about yeah, just one more thing. I would like to content layout. Okay, something like that. And there are ways to inherit from the parent files. That would be great, but I think it's possible. Yeah, not for the fill. The fill I want it transparent. Yeah. And the stroke. Antique. Maybe. Yep. Or maybe one actually. But then it's not gonna hear it for sure. I want to hear it, so. Maybe not that much. Something like that. And guess not the snow. I think it's the text is weirdly positioned. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, it seems to go to the bottom. Strange. I don't know why it looks like it's toward the bottom, but hey, it's fine. We'll use this and drop it down here. Or rather, let's drop a frame in here. Yep, there. Okay. Let's just make this a container. I mean, I want this to. Why? Oh, it doesn't want to add the content there. I wanted to fill the container. I want it to add the content here. Weird. Yep, something like this, and yeah, well, I wanted to warp here because yeah. Ah, that's why. Uh, you need to warp the. Oh. Warp? Yeah. Oh, it does work. Okay. Nice. So we said 300 is good. Alright. So this is more or less what we're gonna want. We can add a little more spacing between items. Too much. Actually, this should not. Yeah. I guess if you have 24, then we need more. We need 24 actually. This looks pretty good. And I'm just gonna duplicate this over here. I need to make sure this one was the same thing here. Okay. So I think that makes it clear we don't have that much space. And I'm gonna want 2 containers, one for the upgrades, and so I kind of have to make them vertical. There's no way around it. So I'm thinking maybe here you'll have 2 modules, and here you'll have a bunch of upgrades. And so there's gonna be like module stuff here. So this one will have an auto layout like this. Would I get to fill the container this time? What's this? Oh, Alexa. First of all, this is not in here. Oh wait, no, that's man. Yeah, this one is supposed to be like this. And this one, I want it to fill, yes. It should be fixed. Okay. Mm, mm, where's this? No, no, no. I want 823 of padding. Okay, and this one. It's hard for me to tell what's what here. This is supposed to be fixed now. Okay, and to with frame 8 is the one I'm trying to set up. Yeah, like this. This is what I want. And I want another frame. Yeah. Drop this in here. Okay, no. Make it like this. Drop this in here. Make this fill container as well. Okay, so now we have 2 sections. This is filling, but it somehow has padding or something. I guess a line left middle. Or line left top, maybe. I think a line top. Yeah, like this. Not sure, because it's supposed to fill, but it doesn't. Not sure why. Does this have padding? Ah, that's have a gap here. And also gap here. It's just the same. And we'll want some padding also, like this. Yeah, I'm a bit worried, but this is not really feeling. Thing is, if let's say this one has more lines here. Let's copy this. By I say they're in the middle instead. Yes, maybe this looks better. And I think I want text over here also. Yeah, but not like this, of course. So I'm gonna have to like move it up here. But I removed it because yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to kind of split this if I want to make it work. Or rather, I'm gonna have to make it work like this. Yeah. I basically need another frame. Otherwise it won't work. Need another frame. I need this one to be like this. Need this to be in here. Frame 8 needs to be the one like this, yeah. And 10 is fill. And I should out like this. Gap, no gap here. Something like this. Not sure why they are not behaving here. This one is filling like this. Between item is supposed to be 24, so the two items are here, right? So is it not huh? It seems like there's only one of the two that is behaving properly. That's the thing. Who's this? What? I don't know what this is. Well, this should not be. Yeah, here it's grayed out, so this is normal. I don't understand what is the difference between the two, but maybe it's the constraint thing. Yeah. Can I remove this? It looks like it's the constraints, but at the same time it doesn't seem like I can remove it. Oh, it's an absolute. When the fuck did I turn this on? God damn it. Okay. Okay, so now I want the text going to be on. No, not here. Okay, let's just say. Let's call this ship modules. Like. But I want this to be over here. Yep. I want this to fill Be centered. Yep. And what style to use for this? Yeah, I think that works. Be bigger though. There's too much gap, I think. I don't think it needs any gap. This thing already has gap, I think. Oh, it's because they're centered, so yeah. Yeah. Well, I guess maybe I don't want gap here either. Like this. Alright, so this is getting somewhere at least. And maybe we do want at least a gap here. Yes. Thing is, can I change this? So I've only. This is for spacing mode. You can now apply spacing mode options with gap between items. Yeah, I got this already. But I'm trying. What is this? Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay. So yeah, I like to have some here. I don't know if that's really necessary. We'll put it to 12. Yeah, something like that. And I probably want to get rid of this. I want to copy this and get rid of this whole thing. Then I want to duplicate this one. Wait. No, not like this. The one I want is frame 8. Yeah, there we go. And so, the only thing is this I'm gonna get rid of. And frame 10, I want to now copy this, add another one, and fuck my life. change text here. So this is too small. Yes, maybe I want to make this one less space. There's no way to say like a percentage. Or if I do this, then it goes into fixed size, right? Yeah. And I guess we kind of have to do this then. As long as it's been 2 hours, 40 minutes. It's gonna be time for a break, and we are getting to a stopping point because, well, this is probably gonna be the version 1 of the UI. Hopefully it's not too overwhelming. Yeah, it's gonna be something like this. There's a lot of space here. I like to have a spacer here, like an actual spacer. Yeah, anything like this in here, some spacer. Divider, maybe. Ah. I think we might have to use the UI toolkit from Unity, which supports HTML. For UI to do this, because otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be a massive pain in the ass. I'm not sure if that's going to work with the other system. Because if you don't know, Unity has 3 UI systems, which is an absolute pain in the ass to figure out what you want, what you need to use, or what you should use. And one of the main downsides of not using the normal, so there's the HTML style one, which is UI toolkit. There's the in-game UI, which supports materials, and you can also render your UI in world space. And then there's some other stuff that is not very useful, but there's 2 main ones. And right now we are using the one that supports materials and can render in in-game space, in world space. But for this, I think I definitely need the HTML style. But the thing is, I also want to use some material on the UI, so it's stupid that I have to pick between the two. But yeah, this menu definitely I think is too complex to make with the normal UI. Maybe not actually. With all the rect transform stuff, can probably achieve it. I guess we're gonna have to try both and see what works. Like, well, try the normal one and pray for it to work. And if it doesn't work, then we'll have to rebuild everything with the UI toolkit thing. Can't wait. Anyways, I think it was a good choice to move away from Krita and to Figma for this. And I mean, Figma is definitely 100 times more adapted to doing this kind of things. Yeah. I'm thinking whether we could, instead of this, have two rows with the upgrades in the lower row and the modules on the top row. That would be kind of nice. The thing is, I'm a bit scared because since this can kind of grow infinitely, it's kind of risky to have two lines like this. Yeah. I don't want to have things on top of each other. Yeah, I think we'll go with this rather. And so, right now, I don't have upgrades, but we do have modules. So right now I can start creating some elements to render the different weapons. And display basically the left side of this UI. So for now, since it's been almost 3 hours, I'm gonna take a break. And I will do another session. Probably either at 11 or 12. Most likely it's gonna be 12. Depending on what I do in the meantime, but yeah, I want to take a good break and then do another session while I'm fresh. And probably it's gonna be another 2 hours to 3 hours. And yeah, so we're gonna start implementing the left side of this UI, so the modules here. And yeah, so let's make sure I save this. So I'm guessing it's auto-saving in the cloud. If that's the case, that is absolutely amazing, and it's another reason to just use this. So I'm kind of wondering, could I have made the design for the background using just Figma? Because, I mean, oh, hell yeah. Oh, and it's even... Yeah. I mean, of course, it's easy to just follow it, but look at this, it's giving me the guides. Like, kind of automatically, so... Yeah, I think we could have done it in here. And see, if I press delete, it removes the old one. Shit, it broke everything. Damn it. Okay, now we're good. Yeah, I mean that was great. Wow, that was great. I mean, I would need to set up some guides before I start doing this, but look at this. And then we'd come here and select a fill and boom, job done. No fucking around with filling the pixels and having stupid opacity, not filling in, like, oh shit. I'm guessing somewhere there's a way to set up some guides, maybe in here. Maybe it's a plugin. Preferences. Yeah, I don't know where it is. I'm sure they have something like this. What's this? Yeah, I'm sure you do that. Let me check that. Yeah, the lines. Yeah, that's what I want. So, view rulers. Wait, where the fuck is view? Oh, here. No, man, I didn't see this. Yeah, okay. So it works the same way? Alright, so we could have done it the same exact way. Oh man, there is some good news. There's some good news that we can use Figma, I think, for everything. I think this UI is definitely gonna require a tool that is designed for complex UIs and that is designed, well, yeah, and that's designed to make like apps and HTML stuff and mobile apps. Alright. Okay, overall it's been great experience with Figma, so really happy we switched. And we'll keep Krita for more like artistic stuff, maybe. For textures, or maybe, yeah, for textures, Krita's probably more adapted. Like, I have no idea how I would make a texture in here, but who knows. Yeah, so I'm a bit like, do I need to save this or no? I'm guessing no. Just like, I would like to rename it though. Let's call this upgrades UI. And so I'm guessing it saved it automatically, but I'm not 100% sure. I would like to be sure. Not sure where I'm gonna get that information. It's gonna be V1 now. Shit. New one, it's like first layout. First layout. This is first usable layout. Alright, time for a break. I will be back. Yeah, probably around noon. Maybe. Yeah. Probably around noon. I will try to aim for noon. Might be a bit later, might be a bit earlier. That's unlikely, but yeah. Very happy with Figma. And next session, we implement the modules. We start implementing this UI in-game. And yeah, it should be interesting. Probably it's not gonna be too difficult. Alright, time for a break. And so see you later.